Hello and welcome back to my channel. What the hell does it want? Okay. Hello guys. Um, let's see how to use a class. Okay, because we've used structs until now, but into structs everything is public by default. Instead, into a class everything is private by default. So I will use a class whose name is woman. A woman as an age. A woman as heirs. Okay, the color of heirs, for example. A woman as a name. But their name, well, we don't know about her true color, the true color of her hairs or her age. We might not know, but we can still know her name. So the name is something that we can ask and that is publicly available, okay? So I would put it here, string name, okay? String name is available. Okay, let's write getters and setters. We have getAge function, which returns a const. Now, let's just return a copy for simplicity. Let's return a copy of this integer. So let's return age and a story. Then auto set age. We will return a woman, a reference to a woman. Why? Because I want to be able to chain the initializations. You see. So the age must be given in the parameter here. I have to say this age is this attribute here is equal to what? To age. Okay? Equal is assigned. Age is assigned to this age. Okay? This is the object. This is the address of the object that I've declared. And now I have to return a reference to the object, which is the object itself. I'm dereferencing an address. Remember this. I'm returning the true object. Okay. Now, auto get heirs. What does it return? It returns a string. The string, though, is an object. It's not a primitive type. So I would make the string constant and return a reference like this. I can also do the same here. This is done for performance optimizations, little optimizations that speed up the process. So this will return name auto set oh sorry, not the name but the heirs. Set as string as okay woman reference. So this heirs, heirs, and return this very object. Okay. Last thing would be name, but name is public. We'll leave it here, public like this. Okay. So we can proceed in the main and say woman 1. No, woman A. Okay. Woman A. So to this variable type, assign what is returned by the constructor of this class. Okay. I could also write just woman A and here stop like this, but I prefer this form because it makes explicit that something exists, that the constructor exists. Okay. Now I say a.name is Irina, for example, and also I say set the age of Irina, which is 37, for example. And given the fact that with each set age function I'm returning this very object, I can also say set age, no, set heirs, Blondie. Okay, this is possible. The chaining of initializations is possible because I'm returning the object from each setter function. I could also say now, I could even do without this line here and put it here. I could say name at this point and then do this, but I don't like to mix things, okay? So I will leave it like so, like this. At this point, let's see how it will do the display. So let's just say a name space what was there, a dot get age, because age now, even though we set it at 37, we'll receive 37. Let's say that she's scared about her age, you know. Let's say that she doesn't like to be 37, she would like to be 30. Even though I subtract 7 from age is still 37, like this. Okay, she's telling us a lie. Another space, and then just a dot get heirs. And that's it. Let's go back and compile. Okay, let's go back and compile. Returning reference to temporary. Oh, sorry. Until I'm returning here a reference to the integer. Okay, even though it is constant, I'm saying that I'm returning a reference, but because I'm trying to modify here, I'm not modifying. I'm returning something that is not the real attribute anymore. So even though I say that I want the reference to it, it is still returning a copy. Okay, so that's why the compiler was warning me, because I decided to put this -7. So I don't want to remove the -7. I will say return a copy Okay, now it is returning a copy, so I will not get the compiler warning. Yes. And here we are, Irina, 30, and Blondie. Even though she's 37, here we see 30. Okay, so that's all for tonight. Thank you and bye.